Here at the Isle of Wight Driving Academy, we're just demonstrating another route. This is going to be leaving the driving test centre at Newport, following the dual carriageway down towards the Sandown direction. So the first mini roundabout, I'm just going to make a real good effort to get around the disc and then out onto the road out from the test centre. So I think new road, new mirrors, so I'm checking my inside mirror and both my door mirrors. As we come around the bend, we're then going to be talking a little bit about forward planning and anticipation. As we get around the corner, we've got the warning triangle on the right hand side telling us that there is an ambulance station coming up. So we're always on the lookout for those on their blues and twos. Now we're going to go up to the first mini roundabout and I'm going to be following the road ahead. So on approach, as I'm slowing down, I'm checking all my three mirrors, reducing my speed, reducing my gear to a gear 2. Now that looks clear for me to proceed, so I'm going to go follow the road ahead. Then I think new road, new mirrors. Now I'm going to be turning right at the first roundabout, B&Q roundabout, and then left down the dual carriageway. So I'm checking my inside my right mirror and selecting my right indicator. On approach again, I'm scanning off to my right, that looks clear, so I'm taking up the right hand lane. I'm maintaining my right indicator until I'm passing the exit before the one I want. I'm checking my left mirror, left signal to leave. And I'm adopting the left hand lane for the dual carriageway. So the left hand lane being the normal driving lane, the right hand lane for overtaking, and also if you're going to be following the road signs towards Sandown. We're not going to take that lane up initially. So whilst I'm sat here waiting for the lights to turn green, I'm checking all my three mirrors just to keep an eye out for motorbikes, push bikes, anything that may be coming up down the side of me. I'm going to be checking those mirrors again just as I'm moving off now. Last check on the lights. I'm not expecting them to change, hopefully. That's good. So I'm entering the national speed limit for the dual carriageway, which is a maximum of 70 miles an hour. So I'm going to make good progress along here. I'm going to look at overtaking the blue car in front of me. So I'm checking my inside mirror and my right mirror, doing a chin to shoulder check, and I'm going to move out nice and early. Up ahead of me, I've got a new speed limit coming up. So I'm going to be following the road signs towards Sandown. I've got to make sure I'm at 40 miles an hour for the marker post. I'm also scanning here any traffic or any cars coming up from the slip road from Curry's near Pets at Home, because they might also want to be moving over into the Sandown lane also. So I'm just scanning those cars. I'm going to be passing. I'm going to make sure I'm down at 30 miles an hour also, which I am. I'm checking all my mirrors again. I'm just scanning the vehicles on the left to see if anyone wants to move in front of me. At the moment, that all looks clear. As I'm slowing down again, I'm checking all my three mirrors and giving a good distance to the vehicle in front. If I can see their tyres and a little bit of the road surface, it just gives me a good safe distance. As I move off, I'm checking all three mirrors again. So I'm just following towards the Sandown direction. Now this next set of traffic lights have been on green for a while, so I'm just reducing my speed in anticipation that they are going to change. I'm still on my brakes, just trail braking through. I'm going to commit to the Sandown lane on the middle lane. I'm checking cars on my left and not moving over, and then it's the far left hand lane. And that is the route from the driving test centre along the dual carriageway, following directions towards